Welcome back to the channel. It's a okay day today. Blue skies, 47 degrees, no big deal. Excuse my garage, it's a mess. What are we gonna do today? I'm gonna wash the car, clean the car, possibly go test drive some things. Or a thing, we'll see. But first, let's do a cold start. Alright, so let's go wash this thing. Hold on, let me roll these windows up so we don't have crazy amounts of wind noise. It's been so cold recently, even now that it's spring. 45, what is it now? 52 degrees outside. 52 degrees outside right now, and my window's down, it feels good. Anybody who lives in the cold climate knows, after it's so cold for so long, cold temperatures feel warm, if that makes any sense. Either way, it's 52 outside, it's nice. We're gonna go wash this thing, get rid of the damn brake dust that accumulates after like 20 miles anyways, and then we're gonna go see my buddy and test drive a couple things, like I said. That's out of the way, we're done. Took me about 20 seconds, obviously. Whew. Kind of wears you out, maybe because I'm out of shape, but I was gonna go get it washed, but the place I go to, they have the rail system. Well, now that we lowered the car, it will not fit in the bay. You used to get it washed, hand dried, the whole shebang, but now we can't do that. So I sprayed it off real quick, just to get the dirt off of it, brake dust. I guess that's what we'll have to be doing from now on. I'm almost in it poorly because I almost dropped my phone onto the seat rail. That's where I was headed. If it cracked, I would have been pissed because it is my phone, which is also my camera. But I'm en route. We'll be there, I assume, in about 10 or 15 minutes, depends on traffic. And I think I'm gonna pick back up from there because there's nothing exciting in front of me or to drive there. So we'll do that. Oh, what's up, forklift? Jake Sweeney Dodge Ram. It's so weird to say just Ram because Dodge and Ram, I have a Dodge Ram. Oh, destroyer gray. All right then. Hit me. This place, they got so much inventory. Finally, we get to drive one of these. It's been a long time coming because I haven't driven one since they came out. The TrackHawk. Man, I love these things. I really do. You just can't beat it for the money. It's like the ultimate dad car, and I'm not even a dad. So we're gonna go take it for a spin and see what it's like to actually drive one of these, because everybody says they're awesome. I like it better than the Hellcat already. It's that much better. I drove it 2 blocks so far, and the ride quality alone, I don't even know what to compare it to. If I had to compare the Hellcat to this, when it comes to ride quality, I almost will call it an S-Class. That's how much smoother it is than the Hellcat. How much quieter it is inside. The overall fit and finish is better. This could have been a bad idea. Maybe I shouldn't have driven this thing. So we're actually gonna go drive it and see what it's like compared to the Hellcat. All right, this right here is the ultimate test. Merging onto a highway. What the hell? This is the perfect time to go on a test drive in the TrackHawk. Rush hour, bumper to bumper traffic. I need to get off this highway ASAP. But so far, no complaints whatsoever. That little pull onto the on-ramp, holy shit. It already feels faster than the Hellcat. It's not as aggressive as the Hellcat, but already feels faster than the Hellcat. And we're in track right now, and this thing is cruising through traffic like it's just a regular Jeep. Even in track mode, the comfort level of this thing is like nuts. I am thoroughly impressed with this thing. Like, it's almost scary. And what I mean by that is, on a Hellcat, when you hit it, traction control on or off, you expect it to blow the tires off a little bit here and there. This thing, no, it just puts the power down, and it's kind of nutty. Like, really nutty. I just want to see my facial reaction. Oh my God. I apologize for the wind noise. This is a completely different animal. Even at the price, because I still think they're a little overpriced. I now understand all the hype about these things. I was not launching it, I was just getting into it at like 5 miles an hour. Didn't hesitate, and didn't think twice about it. It just left. It almost left straight. It feels like it has a little bit of torque steer. I might be tripping out, maybe because it's the weight getting to it. It does feel like it has a little bit of torque steer, but it just rockets out of the hole. This thing will be a gnarly 1/8 mile. Just let it eat. I'm thoroughly impressed. Like, no questions, no ifs, ands, or buts. I'm thoroughly impressed. This thing is, the TrackHawk, it's just perfect. Forget the German SUVs, forget whatever competes with this thing. The TrackHawk, best bang for the buck, in my opinion, even at the overpriced sticker on it. It is the ultimate daily driver. It has everything, the luxuries. It's a family SUV. You can street race it. You can take it to the track, whatever you want to do. Not that I condone street racing, but it's all in one package. Road trips, put your kids in the back, wife, girlfriend next to you, whatever you want to do. It is the perfect package. There's no questions about it, and that's all I got to say. All right. Here's where I'm at with the TrackHawk. It is the best vehicle out there. Don't care what anybody says. It does everything you want to do. I know I've said this 10 times already, but it's the truth. A couple things that I hate on my Hellcat, they seem to have fixed it on this one. And maybe that's why the price is what it is. The fit and finish is there. The looks are there. Most of the quality is there. But most importantly, you have the same exact power plant of a Hellcat in a car that puts the power down just immediately. No problem. Just rolls on out. So the cool part about this one though, it's a 2018. It's brand new, never titled. $90,000 sticker. Let me grab the sticker real quick because I'm pretty sure it is $90,000. Yep, $90,000. You know how I said it's not worth $90,000 to me? How I think it's semi-overpriced? $77,000. It's the cheapest new TrackHawk in the country. I don't think any other dealer sell them as cheap as they are. You're paying the same price for a used TrackHawk as you would for this brand new one. $77,000. All you gotta do, you gotta call my buddy Garrett at Jake Sweeney, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, and he'll hook you up. He'll ship it to you. You can do the whole deal over the phone. You can own the cheapest TrackHawk in the country. Cheapest new TrackHawk, I apologize. Get on it. Take your kids to soccer, go street racing at night. I don't condone that, don't do that. But hit him up, hit me up. I'll get you in contact with him. He'll get you hooked up. It is a beautiful machine. It is the perfect daily driver. It could be yours. You know how it goes. I've been trying to work on videos, trying to put some more content out, even though it's the simple test drive of a TrackHawk. It's better than no content. But if you like what you see, like, dislike, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Like I said, if you want this one, let me know, hit me up. I'll get you in touch with my buddy, or you can hit him up directly. Garrett, his Instagram name will be in the description below, srt.mufford, I'm pretty sure. He'll get you hooked up.